Hey everybody, Matt from Factory Powersports Las Vegas. Today I wanted to do a breakdown on the new Sea-Doo lineup for you guys, and we are going to start with the new 2024 Trixx. Sea-Doo made some really good updates to this model, and the first thing that you guys will all notice, aesthetically, the lines are a lot smoother and cleaner, and they've brought out a couple new colors for 2024 as well. So let's jump into this thing. We're going to show you some of the other updates, and we're going to break this thing down for you so you know what to expect. Pointing out the new bodywork to you guys. You can see right away the lines are a lot smoother. It's a little bit more elongated. It's got a much more finished look to it. It's still the same Polytech material that Sea-Doo's been using, and this material's been around for quite a few years now. People have been apprehensive about an all-plastic Sea-Doo. It's been very, very durable for us. We've had very good luck with this. So no reason to be intimidated by owning an all-plastic machine. So the Trixx model still utilizes the same adjustable handlebars for the different rider sizes. These things move up and down depending on where you want to put them. Taller riders like myself, I like to raise those things all the way up just to make the ride a little bit more comfortable. A couple other things that Sea-Doo's changed. It comes with a 4.5-inch digital display now, and they have revised the IBR system. The previous Trixx model was an insanely fun watercraft to be on the water with, and Sea-Doo took it a step further with a new updated IBR setting. So now this IBR gate drops even deeper into the water so that you can do more aggressive stunts. This thing will even do reverse donuts now, and the settings will also give you much better braking with that IBR system, so you can come to a stop a lot quicker. One of the more popular upgrades, I think, for the Trixx this year is going to be the updated seat. The previous one was a little thin, a little flimsy. Sea-Doo's redesigned this for 2024. There's a lot more cushion in here. The stitching is beautiful on this seat, and it gives it a much more finished look, and comfort level is awesome. Another one of my favorite features that Sea-Doo's come out with is the link system on their personal watercraft. This is going to give you the ability to take all that crucial stuff with you when you're out on the lake. We've got the cooler here, and super easy to install. The link tabs just pop up, cooler slides in and locks in place, and now you've got a cooler. They also have extended fuel cells, so you can take extra fuel with you, dry storage bags, large hard storage bags. So really gives you the ability to take whatever you're going to need out at the lake, and a very easy way to snap it on the back of your watercraft. So the Trixx model now comes with a waterproof phone holder. So when you get the stereo, that's an option on the Trixx, and you have it mounted up here, now you have a secure waterproof place to store your phone, just right inside here. And as an accessory, you can also add a USB charger to it. Got a little padding, place your phone inside here. Give that lid a nice good close, and now you got a waterproof storage spot for your phone.